Color, red. Power source, battery powered. Light source type, LED. Included components, flashlight, user guide. Battery cell composition, lithium ion. PX4 water resistant. LED charge continuity indicator, compact. 1 meter impact resistance tested. Note: recharge using USB charging cord or optional mains charger, not included. Top reviews from the United States. Awesome. Second one I purchased now. Left the first one on piece of equipment and been missing it ever since low. I dropped the original light off a lift at 25 to concrete. Wand portion had a tweak but cannot believe I used it for months afterwards. Recently bought the Cyclone also. Magnet lights are awesome.